What is new inside the Agile scene? Hi, and welcome today on this beautiful day on my Skills for Teams channel. And I'm actually walking at the sea, at the Baltic Sea, so you can see the beautiful landscape. Not much wind today, so I can record some stuff. And if you want to learn more about Agile DevOps quality, don't miss to subscribe to the Skills for Teams channel. It's going to be a big support, and I can make more videos for you. So inside this week, I did some actions. So get more up-to-date connected with the actually going on things in Agile scene. And I just attended another meetup, the Agile Coaching Clinic from Transformation Experts, which is always a good input for me. Which topics are going on at the moment? And finally, I uncovered there are not that much jobs for Scrum Masters and Agile coaches anymore. Even I'm free for working on a new project. So if you need a good Agile coach for your team, if you want to run transformation, get your team on the next level, don't hesitate to contact me. I got some time left. So what changes applied? What changes happen? And one thing going on is like AI is becoming more and more important. Most people I know, most product owners just write their stories with AI. And next week, I'm going to host a workshop in my new format. I call it the Agile Coaching Gym. Inside Agile scene, there are a lot of meetups going on, but there's always like talking formats where people come and talk. And the Agile Coaching Gym is not a format only to come, talk, tell you are the greatest. It is a format where you can work with other Agile coaches, other product owners, developers together, trying out some new technique, some new technology. And I think creating stories with AI is perfect topic for this. We can try using any language model or even built-in functions of JIRA. I think GitLab has some as well. So we uncovered some new stuff. It's going to be a 90-minute session, and I recommend you to join. After story writing with the AI, of course, we will run other topics which are inside the Agile atmosphere. I thought of taking you to a walk, but actually the beach has gone because the water is too high. I'm here near my home. It's the Baltic Sea, so a very nice, beautiful landscape, ocean. I really like this area. Last week, I also did some other new stuff. I started a new coaching meetup user group inside the DevOps Handbook group, which is the DevOps Learning Group. It's a learning group to learn DevOps skills. I like some hands-on stuff all the time. I did some DevOps stuff with using Ansible, using automation, GitLab CI, and now I wanted to learn Terraform. Terraform is a language to describe infrastructure and code for multiple clouds. And inside the learning group, we're going to prepare for the Terraform certification. And the cool thing about this format is we have different levels there where people like actually never heard of Terraform before, and they were expert using it for years, and we learn together. Sometimes we do labs, sometimes we do exercises on our own system or answering mock-up questions for the certification. So it's a cool group of learning. Mostly few people come, but very nice format, very effective. Usually I don't take the time for learning if I wanted to learn new technology. But with this approach, I just take part and actually you reserve the time, you automatically learn. And it's a lot more fun than doing labs yourself, just download video training, all that stuff. So highly recommendation, check out the DevOps Handbook meetup and join the DevOps Learning Group. When Terraform is finished, we're going to focus on other stuff, maybe GitLab CI, maybe CI in cloud, maybe do some other experiments to learn from each other. So very cool new meetup group. Also next week, I'm going to host this Agile Coaching Gym. Really looking forward to it. And we'll come up with more meetups inside the next time. Other topic I'm currently working on is the OODA Loop, which means observe, orient, decide, act. And actually it's from the military. The origin was how fighter pilots optimize the process because they need to make very fast decisions and they have a lot of input, a lot of position changes. But their adaptations of the OODA loop how you can use it in business, the adaptations, how you can use it, for example, as a martial arts fighter. For people who know me, sometimes I do stuff like that. And you can optimize on any level on the OODA loop, which means in the observe part, you can become faster. In the orient part, you can become faster, for example, by taking metrics, by learning better from what you're actually doing, by giving more opportunities. In the decide part, you can make the decision process pretty faster. And also in the act part, is if you learn new technologies, if you make better decisions, if you have more opportunities, you can do more things in the act part. Or if you execute things faster, like just becoming a faster programmer, using new AI integrated IDE, all the things make room of improvement. If you are interested in the OOD8 topic, don't hesitate to contact me. I prepared some exercises which will be public held soon in the Agile Coaching Gym, but also I need some tryout candidates for private sessions. So don't hesitate, contact me for OODA Loop. We can work on it together. You can try out a new pattern I already developed. So yeah, new experience for you. And certainly, I reopened the paper call for the Agile Coaching Gym. So if you have an interesting topic you want to talk about, it should be a workshop topic, because the concept of Agile Coaching Gym is most time should be spent on doing actual exercises. So not a talk in front topic. You do an exercise, short introduction started, people learn from each other, people discuss their results. Then you're welcome to sign the paper call. I'm going to put down link in the description. So hopefully we can see at those sessions. Next topic is I'm looking out for speakers and workshops hosts for the Agile Coaching Gym, and also a planned speaker day. That means if you want to host a workshop on Agile topics, which should be a real workshop for the Agile Coaching Gym, I'm not looking for someone talk in front of other people for 1 hour. I'm looking for someone giving short introduction and having an exercise prepared where people actually learn from, where they could discuss together, where they can get together, where can bring their ideas, and finally everybody goes out with good exercises, good feedback. That's the Agile Coaching Gym. But also in near future, I want to host a speakers day. So if you have a prepared talk about Agile, about DevOps, about software quality, or anything else related, how to deliver better software, then you're welcome. Sign the paper call. I put the link down in the description, and hopefully have you host you for a soon coming up meetup. And now that was Agile. Don't miss the future events. I host some live events and live streamings. You're going to find all on my LinkedIn page. I always post the stuff. So connect on LinkedIn, subscribe on YouTube, and then we're going to see you again soon. And bonus, as you saw this beautiful water, I'm going to drive to another beach now and jump in. It's about 11 degrees Celsius. That's about like 55 Fahrenheit. So going to be cool. So finally, I did the 500-meter swim. A lot of people talk about comfort zone, and actually this is my comfort zone. So I shifted it. The trick is get reconnected to the environment, and then you have a lot of fun. Always watch safety, like my safety boy, but enjoy the swim.